This video may change how you view 32-channel NVR value. ACTI ZNR-224 isn't just a recorder, it's a proven security core for factories, logistics centers, and parking lots. First, the foundation. ACTI ZNR-224 is a 32-channel rack-mount Linux NVR with all 32 licenses included, no extra fees. It supports up to 16 channels of built-in NVR-side AI analytics, enabling centralized management of entrances, work zones, and traffic lanes with less hardware. Next, AI where it matters. ZNR-224 delivers real-time detection for intrusion, face, crowd, occupancy, and illegal parking, plus behavior analytics like helmet, smoking, fighting, loitering, falling, mask, and running. Events generate metadata, supporting 100,000 faces, 25,000 vehicles, and 2M plus snapshots. Third, system efficiency. ZNR-224 integrates camera-side AI analytics, including face, intrusion, people counting, temperature, and object detection. Analysis runs at the edge, with events sent to the NVR, efficiently distributing workload for high-density sites. Now, faster investigations. ZNR-224 supports forensic search by event, ROI, metadata, text, visual trail, and object filters, allowing operators to find critical footage from safety incidents, cargo disputes, or parking accidents in minutes. Finally, real-time response. ZNR-224 supports remote PTZ control via keyboard and two-way audio through IP speakers, enabling security teams to warn personnel, guide vehicles, or stop violations instantly, without being on site. Here's the value. Priced on par with Hikvision and Dahua, ZNR-224 adds NDAA compliance, Linux stability, 32 included licenses, and built-in AI, no hidden costs, lower project risk. Deploy more cameras, spend less, reduce risk, and improve efficiency across factories, logistics centers, and parking lots with ACTI ZNR-224.